Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. It is day 14, and before I open the fiber of today, I am actually going to show you some footage. Kim and I met at the McDonald's in Gettysburg, and we had lots of iced tea and sat there and visited for a couple of hours, actually 3 hours. We had a lot of fun. So anyway, I'm going to put in that footage, and Kim actually opened up the mini skein of the day while we were there. So she did that, and then when we come back after the video, I will open up the fiber for the day. Hello. Hi. So here's Kim and I. We're at our favorite place. We're at Mickey D's. I've drank too much tea, and Kim ended up with 2.
Not on purpose.
Yes, we'll both be running to the restroom before too long, probably. So I'm going to show you what Kim is making.
Well, I'm currently working on the Grinch, and this is what a Grinch baby has. This is what it will eventually look like. And let me tell you what pattern it is so you know. On my phone here. I'm gonna make sure I have the name of the. Well, let's see. It's from littlecrochetfarm.com, and it is called. It says Grinch Christmas ornaments, but they're a little big for Christmas ornaments the way I'm making them.
Oh, it's a free pattern too.
Yeah, it's free. It's free on, like, if you just on the website, I think. I don't know that they have a. Oh, you can get an ad-free one on Ravelry or Etsy, but you have to pay for these. I'm just using the one online. So. Anyway, it's been a hit so far when I put it on social. So. Everybody likes it.
Yeah, and you're wearing your Sophie scarf you've been making too.
Yeah, this is kind of hard to see it very well since it's black, but this is one of my Sophie scarves.
Now, is that tied twice around or just? Oh, okay.
I tied this one once.
Oh, okay.
But, I could probably tie it twice. Because you can give it a good stretch. They're pretty stretchy. I could probably do some kind of twice tying if I could figure out how to do it. Oh, that work?
Yeah, that works.
To tie it off to the side.
Yeah, that looks good. Plus, it keeps your neck warm.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Yeah.
They do keep your neck. If you want to wear a shirt that's not a turtleneck.
Yeah. Huh. Well, I'm working on, I just started on the front of my mitered cardigan. You can see I've only gotten one square so far. I was going to try to attach it to the other one, but trying to keep the miters going the same direction, it was going to be a little challenging. So, yeah, I didn't get very far. So Kim is going to open the mini skein of the day. So we're going to let her choose this one.
Just reach in and just
whatever you want to pick out. Yeah.
Okay. I'll go with this one.
So let's see what we got. Oh, it's perfect for Christmas.
I love these colors. They remind you of like candy or.
Yeah, like Christmas candy.
Yeah, but like probably that hard candy like your grandmother probably had in a bowl.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Cool. So that is the yarn skein of the day. Oh, and look, it'll work with that.
You're seeing my my Thanksgiving nails.
Ah, there we go. Focus on the Thanksgiving nails.
And my ugly cuticles, but whatever.
I've got a few that my hands are so dry this time of the year. They're all like my nails are snapping off and my cuticles are tearing. So.
Can we leave this out? So you.
Sure. I'll get a photo closer here.
Okay.
There we go. Look how well that matches with the one I'm working on.
Oh.
I might have to add that next.
Is it going to be included in your mitered square sweater? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be pretty.
Yep, in fact the mitered squares, some of the ones that are in it now are ones that I've drawn out of there.
Oh, okay.
So, yep, so we're gonna go back to enjoying our tea over there. So, and the crocheting.
Yeah, I'm doing these for the craft sale coming up Saturday.
Yep, we are planning while we're sitting here. She even brought her polyfill to load up her Grinch as she works on him. So the fiber for today, here is day number 14. And here is the lighthouse. I really like the lighthouse for this day. Isn't that cute? It looks like a little castle. So yeah. So let's open it up. And we have one skein. Oh, this is pretty. It's a blended color today. Let me get it out of the bag here so you can see it. It has some blue, some green, there's some gray, and there was a lighter green, and some purple. So there you can see it. Isn't that gorgeous? I really like that. That is pretty. So make sure you come back tomorrow to see what tomorrow's opening is going to be and what we'll be doing. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye everybody.